In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Something which is very, very important for a human being. Very, very important indeed. Rather, I shall say, the most important. But it is missing in our lives, or it is in a short supply. We rarely, we don't find it quite often. We don't find it quite often. And a very negligible amount of it, a very negligible amount of it is being experienced, enjoyed by us, a very negligible amount of it. There is a great shortage of it. There are very, very few people. There are very few people in our society, who are having an adequate supply of it, have a sort of sufficient supply of it. There are very, very few people, lucky few. But lucky few. These people are not glittering. It does not seem that they are very rich, but they do have the genuine richness. There are two types of richness, maybe several types of it. The most apparent and the most visible, the most apparent, the most visible form of richness is the money. The house we are living in, the vehicle we are riding, the dresses we are wearing, and the things like this one. This is a kind of richness which is understood by almost all of us. But the purpose of richness and the purpose of being rich is to seek the respect of the people. And seeking the respect of the people is meant to become happy. Is the purpose of seeking richness from the people is to be happy. To be happy. We do glitter. People with the money do glitter. They have nice houses, luxuries inside the house, luxury vehicles, dresses, food. Though the food become restricted because of the health reasons. Once they grow up, they can't eat whatever they want to eat. Why? Because they are not healthy anymore. And this is a very apparent, very visible form of richness, not the very genuine form of richness. Why I don't call it a genuine, not a genuine form of richness? Because it does not provide us with something which is of ultimate importance. It does not give us what we wanted to get out of it. It does not give us what we wanted to get out of it. This is the reason. This is the reason. So the genuine form of richness is being happy. Being happy. Enjoying, experiencing the peace of mind. And this peace of mind cannot be bought with the money. Money intrinsically does not possess it. With the money we can buy the luxuries. We can impress the people. But we cannot buy the peace of mind. Now, if the very apparent form of richness does not give us the kind of thing we wanted to get out of it, from where can we get it actually? From where can we get it? From where can we get this? This can be obtained. This can be obtained by eradicating the elements, the substances from our lives, from ourselves, from our mind. And doing so is not an Herculean task, not a rocket science at all. Not a rocket science at all. Quite possible. Although some sort of effort is needed. Some sort of effort is needed. We don't have to follow whatever being practiced in the society. We do have to change ourselves a little bit. We do have to change our thinking a little bit. We do have to think differently. It is an endeavor, an effort, a struggle, but in the beginning. Later on, the struggle and the effort will still be needed, but a little amount of it, not very much of it, not very much of it. Yes. What to do now? What to do? Eradicate the complaints. The complaints. We do have against the people, all type of people. The complaints we do have against the people, the complaints we do have against the society as a whole, the complaints we do have from our luck, etc., etc., etc. It is the complaints. Why have they done it? Why did he do that? Why did she do that? Why aren't they doing it? Why don't they do that? Why the society does not respect me? Why they don't give me all what I want from them? These are the complaints. And these complaints, due to these complaints, we are unhappy, dissatisfied, and dissatisfied. So what we need to do is, replace it with gratitude. Replacing it with gratitude. Eradicating the complaints. Eradicating what? Eradicating complaints. All sorts of complaints. All types of complaints. And having gratitude. This gratitude will actually will make us a satisfied, a happy human being. Being a satisfied and happy human being, we can be rich. We will be rich. We will be genuinely rich. Thank you. Exactly.